Now it is the problem section of the test. Okay, this is what you will see. Launch. Okay, start the test. So you have the problem statement. All right, and then a place for you to enter the answer, and it tells you what rounding you need to do. Okay, and here it is again another important point. The code that calculates the answer does not do any rounding at all. Okay, the rounding is only when it checks the answer. So what I would suggest that you do is first do the work. Okay, set up this problem in Excel. Okay, if you have done the classwork, you already have your template. So you make the changes, and when you work it in Excel, do not round at all. Okay, except that if the question statement says you round the answer and then use the rounded answer for further computations, if a statement is added in that fashion here in the problem statement, only then you will round the numbers in Excel. Okay, which is very rare. There may be 1 or 2 times that happens. Okay, otherwise, unless otherwise stated, the default is that you don't do any rounding in any of the computations that you do in Excel. But when you enter the answers, that's the time when you will round, only for entering the answers here. Okay, and you need to make sure that read how many decimal places you need to round to when you enter the answers. Okay, remember, no rounding in Excel. Okay, and enter the answer as instructed here. Okay, if you don't follow this instruction, it is possible that you'll end up with wrong answers, which are actually right answers, because you rounded in Excel itself. Okay, when you rounded in Excel itself, the further computations, okay, some of the questions down below may need an answer from up above, and the code here in the test doesn't do any rounding, so it doesn't use. Suppose if here it says that round to integer, right? Now you round to the integer here, and then you use that integer answers to find answers down below, which is not what the code does. The code doesn't round. So the code's answer and your answer is going to be different. So don't do any rounding in Excel. Okay, only when you enter the answers. I'm belaboring this point because this has happened in the past, and I tell you, you and I can have, can avoid all kinds of heartaches and heartburns if you follow this instruction carefully. Do not round in Excel. Okay, round only when you enter and as instructed. So once again, when you're done, make sure that you print the PDF and keep a copy of that. So just in case there is any problem, and you have a record of what you have done, and we will be able to take care of any issues that may arise.